Bonjour, it's Anne again. Today I would like to talk about free shipping. Okay, if you're on Etsy, you know that Etsy has been encouraging sellers to use free shipping in their shops. Okay, so I want to explain to you because it's a misconception that I see very often, that when they talk about free shipping, they do not mean that you should eat the costs of shipping. Okay, that's very important because so many people misunderstand that. It does not mean that you have to pay for shipping instead of the customer. What they mean, and they have made that abundantly clear in everything they have written about it, is that studies have shown that the sites which give to the customers a global price from the start, which includes everything, the cost of the item plus the cost of shipping, sell more. Okay, so what you need to do is to include the price of shipping into the price of your items. So if you have an item which costs $10 and then costs $5 to ship, then just put the price at $15 and $0 for shipping. You're not losing anything. It's just that it will be easier for customers. And I've done that in both my shops, and I can tell you I have my sales have actually increased, not decreased, okay? And if you're worried about different costs because you have customers who live close to you and then you have customers who live far away from you, one thing you can do is always use, to calculate the prices, always use the highest possible shipping you might have to pay for, so for the customers who are far away, and then offer discounts to your customers who are closer to you. And then if it worries you that people are paying several times for shipping when they buy several items, then you can also set up a sliding scale discount. So for two items, then you get, I don't know, maybe 10% discount, which would somehow correspond to the difference in shipping they might pay. Well, you have to calculate the right amount, but you see what I mean, okay? But once again, when I introduced free shipping in my shop, which means when I introduced the cost of shipping into when I integrated the cost of shipping into my products, I did not see less multiple sales, okay? Because people don't worry about that. They just see something, it's hassle-free, it has one price, one cost, they know about it, and they will buy whatever they want, which is sometimes one product, but I've sold as many as 9 at the same time, okay? So don't make the mistake of thinking free shipping isn't for you because you can't afford it, okay? This isn't what they mean. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe before you go, and check the free goodies, which for which there is a link below in my description. See you later. Au revoir.